Self-care and self-love are buzzwords that are gaining popularity in today's world. These two concepts go hand in hand and are essential for maintaining a healthy mind, body, and spirit. This video will explore self-care and self-love, their importance, and how you can incorporate them into your life. Self-care is the practice of caring for oneself physically and mentally. It involves engaging in activities that promote relaxation, stress reduction, and well-being. Self-care can include various activities, such as exercise, meditation, spending time with friends and family, reading, or taking a long bath. Self-care is essential for maintaining good mental and physical health. It helps reduce stress levels, improves overall well-being, and prevents burnout. Self-care is not just about indulging in luxurious activities or pampering oneself. It's about taking care of oneself by eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and engaging in physical activity. Self-care is vital for maintaining good mental and physical health. It helps reduce stress levels, improves overall well-being, and prevents burnout. Here are some reasons why self-care is crucial. Self-care activities such as meditation, yoga, and outdoor time can help reduce stress and anxiety. Taking care of oneself can prevent the accumulation of stress, which can lead to physical and mental health problems. Taking care of oneself can boost self-esteem and promote a positive self-image. Engaging in self-care activities such as exercise and healthy eating can help one feel good about oneself and improve confidence. Self-care activities such as exercise and healthy eating can promote better physical health. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Self-care activities can help prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Self-love is the practice of accepting and loving oneself unconditionally. It's about recognizing one's worth and treating oneself with kindness and compassion. Self-love involves getting oneself, flaws, and all, and treating oneself with the same love and respect that one would give to a loved one. Self-love is essential for mental and emotional health. It helps build resilience and fosters positive relationships with others. When one loves oneself, one is better equipped to navigate life's challenges and maintain a positive outlook on life. Self-love is crucial for mental and emotional health. It helps build resilience and fosters positive relationships with others. Here are some reasons why self-love is essential. Self-love is associated with increased happiness and life satisfaction. When one loves oneself, one is better equipped to handle life's challenges and maintain a positive outlook on life. Self-love can help foster positive relationships with others. When one loves oneself, one is better able to love others and build healthy relationships. Self-love can help build resilience and improve mental and emotional health. One is better equipped to navigate life's challenges and bounce back from setbacks when one loves oneself. Incorporating self-care and self-love into your life can be challenging, especially if you're used to putting others first. Here are some tips for incorporating self-care and self-love into your life. Make self-care a priority by scheduling time for self-care activities. Whether it's a weekly yoga class or a daily meditation practice, prioritize self-care in your schedule. Take time to focus on what you're grateful for. This can be as simple as writing down 3 things you're grateful for daily. Practicing gratitude can help shift your focus to the positive things in your life and improve your overall outlook. Engage in activities that bring you joy and make you happy. This can be anything from painting to playing sports to listening to music. Doing things you enjoy can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Take care of your body by eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and engaging in regular physical activity. Taking care of your body can improve your overall health and well-being. Don't be afraid to seek help when needed. This can include reaching out to friends and family for support or seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Practice forgiveness by letting go of anger and resentment towards yourself and others. Forgiveness can help improve mental and emotional health and foster positive relationships. Practice self-awareness by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings. This can help you identify areas where you may need to practice self-care and self-love and make positive changes in your life. In conclusion, self-care and self-love are essential for maintaining good mental and physical health. They involve caring for oneself physically, mentally, and emotionally and accepting oneself unconditionally. Incorporating self-care and self-love into your life can be challenging, but it's essential for building resilience, improving self-esteem, and fostering positive relationships with others. By prioritizing self-care and self-love, you can improve your overall well-being and live healthier lives. Remember to be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion as you embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Thanks for watching.